Hello everyone, welcome to day 4 of our CapCut editing tutorial. And in this video today, we'll be learning how to add style to our text in CapCut, and that is perfect for title, subtitle, and captions. So that is what we are going to learn today. So without wasting much of the time, let's jump right into the phone. One important point to take note is that I also create video based on the request of my viewers or subscribers. So if you want me to create a video on any topics that are related to my niche, put it in the comment section what you want me to create, and then I will definitely make video for you. So we are in my phone right now, and then we are going to add our text. So we go to CapCut, we click on new project. Every time, that is how you do it. Okay, if you want to start editing, that is how you go, step one by one. So we tap on the video and you bring it to the timeline. So we want to add text. So how do we add text? We see all these toolbars here. You see that number 1, number 2, the third one is text. Okay, just tap on the text and it bring another tools for you. We have different things in this. We have text, sticker, a lot of things. Just scroll through it. Okay, you can see. Then the only thing we are going to add is click on add. You can see once you click on add, this will come up for you, and the text box will appear, and you can adjust the size, font, color using the menu options that you see there. Okay, and you can also add, let's first of all add text. So how do we add text? So we just say just add text. That is what we are going to use as an example. Okay, just add anything that you want to add on the text. Maybe it's a word that you are saying that you want to add, then that is how you are going to add on it. Just type it on it. Okay, for example, I can just choose Ganny. You can just choose, if you want to retype, just type it inside here. That's where you're going to see Grow with Ganny. So that is our text, and you can place it wherever you want by just use your finger to be moving it anywhere you want to place it. Anywhere you can reduce the size. If you want to reduce the size by typing here, you can reduce the size also from here. Okay, you can see. You can change it, drag it the way you want it. It's your choice. It's your options the way you want it. You can drag it anyhow. And once you have finished writing your text, the next thing that you're going to see, come to see the options here. You have fonts, you have styles. Fonts, you can choose any type of font that you want. It will just change anything for you. Then you have style. Styles means how do you want it? Do you want it with background? Do you want it light? Do you want it any color? And you can also as well change the text color from this place here. You can change the brown color if you have brown color. You can add strokes to it. Your stroke can be black. You can see. You can add glow if you want it to pop out like this. You can see. It's you that you will choose your glow. You can change the color of your glow to whatever that you want. Okay, so or you can add another background. No, our background is white. You can change it to yellow. You can change it to black. You can change it to brown. Any type that you want, it's your choice. Then you can add shadow to your text as well. Then you can reduce the opacity, you can increase the opacity, you can blur it, you can increase the blur, you can increase the distance of the shadow. So it's your choice. Then you can add curve is not possible. Then you can add space. They have not include pop in the curve, so you can add space. Then you can add bold, italic. If you can bold it, you can make it bend, you can underline it. Everything you can do. You can ask Excel, okay, did I want to make it all in capital letter or all in small letter, or the beginning and then the beginning of each letter in capital letter? So it is your choice. Okay, so once that is, you can edit it and do it. And also you can also use it as a subtitle to match whatever that you are saying. And that one, how do you use it as a subtitle? I'm deleting this one. We don't need it. How do we do it? That means you have recorded your video, and how do you have it as a subtitle? You just come to this auto caption. Auto caption will caption everything that you are saying. It's free to use. Auto caption will caption everything that you click. You just click on that generate. Okay, once you click, it to generate everything that you have said. I don't really see anything in this video, so that's why you can see that I did not say anything. Did not see auto caption. Okay, so I'll bring in another video where I was talking so that I can be able to see how I do that. I'm going to do that subtitle. So let me bring in another video. So I'll close this video because we have used it finished. Then let me go and bring another type of video that I am talking. Okay, this is another video Let me see another new video. So this is another video that I'm bringing in. So with this video, we are going to do subtitle. How do you do subtitle? You want the text, the way you are talking, you want it to match what the text on the video, on the timeline that you are seeing. Then what do? So you tap on text. You don't need to click on the video, just tap on text. You see auto caption. So you tap on auto caption. Auto caption will generate what you are saying for you. Then tap on this generate. So generate it by yourself, and then that is how to generate it. So you tap on it and let's see the magic happening. So you can see all the word that I said is the one that showed here. You can see all the words that I show. So what I will do is you just tap on, you can delete everything that is said is not good. Then you delete it. Once you delete it, what you can do now is you now tap on one, the way it is white like this, and then you tap on this edit. You can edit it here, edit caption, maybe by you listening to what you are saying, and you see that, oh, the word does not write very well, then you can change it here. You can remove it and write maybe I want to put to give. Maybe it's what that God give that I said. Then this is where you're going to get the word. Then you write it to correct it. It's used to correct the word that is typographical error from what they generated. Okay, so that is that one that is easy to do. And then you tap on OK once you have corrected everything. And let's assume you want to animate your text. You want to animate your text. When you tap on this pencil, if you want to animate it, you see, you tap on this pencil. Once you tap on that pencil to bring you everything here, you just tap on, see, animation is here. You can see animation. Tap on animation, and then you can animate yourself. You can animate your text the way you want. Okay, so you choose the free one because we are using free generally. Just auto caption is paid, but you are using free generally. So just choose on how you want it. Did you want it to be typing it the way you are talking? Then you choose it. If you want it to be fading in, you put anyone that you want. Then this down here is the length. Is going to show you either you want to make it fast or you want to make it slow. Just drag it. It's this one. If you drag it finish, that means you want to make it very slow. But you just make sure that you find the one that fits your tone, your speed of your words, that is the best thing to do. So you click on OK. Once you've done, this check mark is OK. Then you click on OK. So that is how to choose your animation. That is how to add your text. That is how to do subtitle. Anything you want to do here in CapCut. So that is it for today. And then I'm sure you have learned how to add text to your video if you want to add text to your video. And it's a great way to make your video engaging. You know, some people, maybe they don't understand what you are saying very well. They can start reading. There have been several times that I want to do something that nobody do it in English. I have to follow all those other languages. I'm just looking what they are doing. Most of them will do subtitle like this so that I will be reading it. So it helps to make your video more engaging. And then thank you for watching. My name is Ganny, and this is Grow With Ganny. Thank you for watching. Till I'll see you in my day 5. Bye.